In the north, the taste of Bonfire Night has long been Parkin, a dense, sticky ginger cake made from oatmeal, treacle and golden syrup. It's hearty stuff, the sort of cake that sticks to your ribs and keeps you warm while the fire burns low. Parkin was once baked for Guy Fawkes Night and also for the old harvest festival of All Hallows. The trick is to make it a few days ahead. As it sits, the treacle soaks through, darkening the crumb and deepening the spice. By the time Bonfire Night arrives, it's perfect, soft, fiery with ginger and almost smoky in flavour. Treacle toffee, sometimes called bonfire toffee, is another classic of the season. The kind that'll test your teeth and your patience. It's dark, glossy and deeply nostalgic. The taste of November nights, fireworks and cold fingers clutching warm mugs. This toffee's been around since Victorian times, when sugar and treacle were becoming cheaper and families would make their own sweets at home. The recipe's beautifully simple: butter, sugar, treacle, a touch of cream of tartar to keep it from crystallising, but it needs care. You have to cook it to the right temperature so it sets hard and snaps cleanly instead of turning into a sticky or grainy mess. supposed to stir it or not. It's not a polished kind of sweet, it's homemade in the best sense of the word. A little smoky from the treacle, sweet but not cloying, with that unmistakable burnt sugar edge that makes it feel like autumn in a bite. When it cools and you crack it into shards, there's something really satisfying about it, as if you've bottled up a bit of the season's old traditions right there in your kitchen counter.